I'm loving my free sample by goPure. So I like the concept, I like the brand because they're bringing confidence to people's lives. And let me start by saying it's 4 products that I'm reviewing today. So this is the tightening smooth and belly cream. So obviously this is for your belly. If you have stubborn stretch marks, loose skin, not only abs in the gym, but also complement your routine with this one. Here we have Tighten Lip Net Cream. So you put it outwards, put it in the morning, put it at night, take care of your neck. Don't forget you can get wrinkles there too. This one is the arm sculpting. So this is going to help you sculpt your arms. So if you like to do the biceps, the triceps, go ahead and do them. That's fine, eat healthy, but complement your routine with this. Put it around your arms. It's not gonna hurt, it's just gonna make it more firm and more beautiful. And last but not least, the booty cream, booty and tights. So obviously after you take a shower, you can put this on your booty and your tights, and this is going to reduce that cellulite that sometimes can be stubborn. Of course, do your squats, eat healthy, but don't forget the goPure to complement your routine. I love the brand, I love what they do, I love what they stand by, so I suggest you check it out.